Good evening friends and my dear students. Today we will start with SPSS, a statistical data analysis tool for both quantitative and qualitative research. This session we would cover working with SPSS files and defining variables. In the first lesson, we are having opening files in SPSS. Here we are going to learn how to create a new file, how to open an existing file in SPSS. Now let's go to SPSS software. In SPSS, you can see there are rows and columns. Columns represent the variables. There are 11 attributes of a variable: name, type, width, decimals, label, values, missing, columns, align, measure, role. This is the variable view. And when we enter the variable here and would like to enter data against that variable, we have to go to data view. Okay. So we go to file, then we click new to reach to this screen. Now we are going to define the variables. So for defining the variables, we have to go to variable view. So we will take an example here. Defining variables in SPSS lesson 2. Our database has 3 variables: marital status, whether the person is married or not married, age in years, and number 3 variable, opinion about drinking alcohol on a 7-point scale. 1 stands for totally disagree and 7 totally agree. Now let's go to the SPSS screen. So our first variable is marital status. So we will define the variable as mstat. Now this is a categorical data. So we can take it as numeric, comma, dot, scientific notation, date, dollar, custom currency, string, restricted numeric. So we will take it as string variable. Characters 8. Okay. Now we will go to the next with, we keep it by default as 8, decimals 0, label, we define what we mean by this variable marital status. Value, we are going to write married or not married. So value number 1, label, married, add. So 1 is married and 2 label is not married. So this is how we input the values in a variable and then we click OK. Missing is basically if we don't want to record those values for data analysis in SPSS, then we have to put those data in missing. But for the time being, we are keeping it none. Columns means the width of the variable, the size. Alignment means left, right, center, how you want to keep the alignment for your variable in the data. Nominal, since it's a categorical data, we keep it nominal. And then comes role. So we will keep it by default input because we have to enter the data in SPSS. Next variable that we will define is age. Age is numeric by default. Then we are keeping by default 8. Decimals we are making it 0. Label we will write here age. Value obviously it will be none. We have to input the data in data view. Missing we are keeping it none. Width of the column 8. Alignment by default we are keeping it by default it is right, so we can make it left also. Then scale we will keep it scale. Okay, and here in the role we will keep the default input. Next comes opinion about drinking alcohol. Okay, so we will name the variable as alcohol. And then we are going to make it numeric. So there are 7-point scaling which is applicable to this opinion about drinking alcohol. So for that reason we are keeping it numeric. We will put the decimal as 0 and then we will double click on label and we are going to write opinion about drinking alcohol. And here we have to write the values. So we click those 3 dots after none and we now label. So there are 1 to 7 points by which we are going to measure the opinion about drinking alcohol. So value number 1, as we have stated, totally disagree. We'll add value 2, label we are going to write disagree. Add value 3, somewhat disagree. Value 4, neutral. Add value 5, somewhat agree. Add value 6, we will write agree. Add, and 7 we will write totally agree. So this completes our value labels, and then we are going to click OK. So in the missing section we are going to keep none, columns 8, right align, we'll make it again to left if you want to make it left align. Scale, you can keep the scale as it is. Since we have considered numeric, so we are keeping it as scale. And then comes the row. Okay. So now we will see how it looks like in data view. See, we have created 3 variables: marital status, age, alcohol. Okay.